me mama nyina afihia pa bio ya se hia we de eyetia wa original me na wow me se credit me no e betwa bue me so so na me ko hu the range one of my favorite shops shop open your marketing kitty e de siesie fia obenya enti jiwakonya senior original me kanu na de wom ne se me koye no senior aja manager osu otwa me nyomo kakra na me de atwa credit amamo so na me ba fie na me betie ye no na enyom na no odin enyom ne nso bebre wo mu a me hwe no metime nya copyright claim wo so enti ama ma mute baby wo so enti ne jiwakonya na hwe senior etie se be ya bibi wo mu a ebia ebehia ama broni odi esiesie ofie kama na afa nso ni oma ni bi wo mu a se wani je ho a ma me hu baby a wo fie o de bebo no na ma me nso mehu de otumi de ye wo fie. I love you and God bless.
One way so candle stands. I really like these ones. I think these will fit perfectly on your dining table. And I sell fireplaces also. Ever come here, and here now, I will do this, mammy. And the born so on the border from brown. I wish I for once I went see a camera. Candle holders may be answering. So silver ones in me. When did you want, mammy? Where's your candle stands? So, yeah, fine. Why she wins? Hey, original me word track credit to go any so. I bet me they see or fireplaces so and a baby I will baby. I really love these ones as well. These are cute. And I want to win so. I think these were one of my favorites. I love them.
Fine. So we saw candle ni wo more nice. Okay, so I bet you the advance. The opposite or the bia. So I didn't go how water. We do fear wa be ru the bay. So in some more different way say 9.99 sir. We so so na we so me.
Jamo silver section soon you. The Akonyani de sorry in free so now if you jam a comment na me who near your favorite room. Oh, a hookah, come. When so I would see hokeke so but come and it is our fireplace and nasa or coffee table bison.
Mirror until so sana do munkaniana. We de wa brand no na de ade. Anya relaxing me friend chillaxing no go sa. Like come. Anti anu ni. Wa hwe giraffe see so on say no my come see eh me be from come o na he the candles me be new maybe me pe candles so and your candle stand back up hey jayo
Way no, many dear day, come on, original one never more track ready to say, a hoop tram,
Jayo. Yeah, Bobby Christmas song goes like a home.
These are all ornaments as well. They're so pretty. I love them. Wow, when so you come on, Robert with the window sill and so the queen. Remunina.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. So bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and
Nti aha nso yɛ Christmas nneɛma kakra nso a ɛno nso yɛde twa credit egu yɛn ni so ohun ɛno nso kakra bi.
we won't go until we
They
get
say on
some.
mirror section so na ye
Until we
do.
get some.
Na wa wo hwe we ya. Ehe na ade bebo wo fie. Ja me comment na me hu.
Some out here.
Eh
The
come on.
tidings we
So
bring
more different ranges
you
ewa
and your
happy.
kin. We
Ah,
wish
deɛ wo ɛbɛkɔ wo fie no ebi wɔ hɔ a ɛso dodo nti no ɛwɔ sɛ sɛnea meka no wosusu space no ansa na wakɔ shop akɔ akɔtɔ hwɛ ɛho twɛw original nko a na ɛde wei bɛbrɛ wo nti sɛ wɔnsubscribe yɛ a ɛhyehyɛ so ɛ na yɛntua so. I love you.
and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Nti baby edu nso yɛ ɔmo wall canvas nso a ɔmo wɔ a woahwɛ baabi a ɔpɛ sɛ wode bɔ wɔ fie a so wa ho gya me comment o na mehu baabi a wode ɛbɛbɔ ohun saa na ɛkɔ yie na yɛfie a kama kama.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Nti I hope so when you agye deɛ ɔhwɛ ho. Na so you're new to this channel, subscribe and sign our call. Never notification bell. Ɛto so na afei ohu bibi nso a w'ani gye ho a gya me comment. Na me hu baby ade bɛbɔ wo fie. I love you. God bless. Mwah.